Well, it is better to give your path to a dog than be bitten by him. Even killing the dog would not cure the bite. Now, what am I trying to say here? At times, you might have find yourself in a situation wherein you're trying to put across your points, you're trying to convince the other person for what is right, but the other person is not listening to you. He's not ready to listen to you. And at times, your conversation in such matters becomes an argument. And it becomes more ugly when the two person does not agree to each other. I'm sure you must have been in such situation on one point or another. Now, what do we do when the other person does not agree with you, or what do we do to stop our conversation becoming an argument? So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 tips which you can use to keep your disagreement and still stop your conversation to turn into an argument. The number 1 tip is welcome the disagreement. When the two partners agrees with each other, one of them may not be necessary. If there is one point which you may not have thought about, agree to that. Welcome it. Perhaps the disagreement is your opportunity to correct yourself before making a serious mistake. So the second tip is distrust your first instinctive reaction. Now, what am I trying to say here? Often you would have noticed, if you monitor your thoughts properly, whenever you are trying to be defensive, your first reaction is often impulsive and it does not use your rational brain, because the human's first reaction is often defensive. Be careful, be watchful of your first reaction. It may be at your worst, not your best. So it is important to check what you're going to say for the very first time when you are in disagreement with someone. Now, the third tip is control your temper. You can very well measure the size of a person by what makes him or her angry. So it is very important to keep your cool and calm when you are in disagreement with someone, when you are talking to someone, because when you are angry, it is highly likely that your emotional brain will come into picture and you will happen to say something which will create more problems rather than winning the situations. And the fourth tip is listen first. How often do you find yourself that you are so reluctant and eager to put across your points to other person that you don't even listen to other person? Do not try to defend. Don't try to resist the other person. Listen to them first, because it only raises barriers. So you don't really want any barriers while you are communicating. And the last one is be honest. It often happens that when you make mistake, you try to fight within yourself, whether to defend yourself or whether to admit the mistake and move on. It is always advisable and it is better to admit your mistake, because when you admit your mistake, it does not belittle you. It disarms your opponents. They feel better that you have admit your mistake, and it burn all the bridges. Being honest is one of the fundamental value one can possess. So I hope you have loved these 5 tips today, using which you can still keep your disagreement, stop your conversation becoming an argument. But always remember, the best way to win an argument is to avoid an argument. It is better to give path to a dog than be bitten by him. So I hope my message is clear to you. If you have any suggestions or questions, you may want to drop them in the comment sections. I would love to hear them and answer them. So this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off. Until we meet again, have a fantastic time.